Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to draw this two-dimensional figure in the AutoCAD. So first in the AutoCAD, set the units, decimal, then precision. According to your drawing, select the precision. So here I am selecting this value. Then unit of measurement is millimeters, and international setup is international. Next to OK. Okay, next you set the limits of your drawing area. So lower left corner 0, 0 and upper right corner is 420, 297. Then type zoom in the command window and then select the option all. Now I am going to draw the two-dimensional image in the AutoCAD window. So first I am starting from the left hand side. The width of the object is 54. I am clicking randomly. I am selecting the line command. I am clicking randomly on the screen, and so the line is now you are getting not a straight line, okay, horizontal line or vertical line, it is inclined. So in order to make that, I am selecting ortho mode. Now I am typing the length of the line. Width of the object is 54. I am entering the width 54. Then afterwards I am changing the mouse direction to draw the vertical line of 28 mm length. Now I am typing 28 mm. Okay, now I am pressing escape. I am leaving from that and I am continuing the drawing from the left hand side. Now I am going to draw the the height, okay, 85 mm line. So I am selecting the line command and go and click the lower left corner where I started the drawing. Now I am pointing the mouse in the upward direction and typing the length as 85 millimeter. Now then I am drawing the horizontal line. Okay, so here I am drawing the horizontal line that is equivalent to the radius of the upper portion. So upper top side of your drawing is a circular feature is there. Its size is given as radius 14. So the diameter of that particular portion is 28. So that I am typing here as a line. Okay, then I am drawing the vertical line of length 14. Then horizontal distance 10 millimeter I am drawing. Then again I am coming 14 millimeter in the downward direction. Then now I have to draw the slant portion of this drawing, slanted portion of the right hand side. In order to draw that, I am disabling the ortho mode. I am completing the drawing. Okay, the slanted portion, simply connecting the right hand side 28 mm length. I am connecting. Click, then escape. Now you got the outer boundary of the figure. The top side you have to draw the semicircle. Okay, for that I am selecting the arc command. Start end radius I am selecting. Start end radius I am selecting. The right hand side is the starting point and end point is the left hand side, and radius value is 14 millimeter. Okay, so now I got the semicircular arc. Then one circle is there. I am selecting the circle diameter option, center diameter option. The circle diameter is 16 millimeter. It is given in the drawing, 3 numbers. The center point is 18 millimeter from the base, 85 millimeter from the base, whereas the x-axis distance is 14 millimeter. It is the center of that line. I am clicking that and giving the diameter as 16 millimeter. Enter. Now I draw the diameter. I am erasing this horizontal line. Okay. Then I have to draw the two circles at the bottom side. So the circles are located 28 mm apart. The center to center distance is 28 mm. From the base, the position of the circular feature is not given. So I am assuming that it is positioned at the half of the 28 millimeter line. Okay, so first I am drawing the horizontal center line. So for circle you have a two center line, horizontal and vertical. I am now drawing the horizontal center line. It is located approximately 14 millimeters from the base. I am drawing using offset command. Select offset. The distance of the center line is 14 millimeter approximately. I am selecting the horizontal bottommost line and drawing in the upside direction. Okay, so it is midway in the 28. Next, I am drawing the two vertical center lines for that is nothing but the center of the circle. I am assuming that so these two circles are located equal distance from the center. Now I am drawing the center line for the 54 mm width. Okay, so this line I am offsetting 14 millimeter on either side. Offset 14 millimeter, enter, selecting the center line, and the left side similarly I am selecting the center line, right side I am clicking. So this horizontal vertical line and horizontal line will give the center for drawing the circle. Okay, I am deleting the middle line. This is not required. I am instead of drawing the circle I can copy from here, multiple copy, select the displacement points, center point of the circle I am picking, then I am selecting displacement. Second point of displacement is the intersection of the horizontal and vertical line. So two circular features are there at the bottom side. So okay, now I press escape. Okay, so next I am converting this line into center line. Okay, I am converting. So here center lines are shown. So go to the bilayer, other, load, then select the center line. Here center, I am selecting the center line. 0.5x, 2x, I am selecting 0.5x. Okay, selecting this. Okay, now I am selecting this lines and go to the bilayer center. Okay, now it is changed. Okay, same lines I am copying and moving to the top side also. Okay, okay, now I am doing the dimensioning. Go to the annotate toolbar. Here this is the annotation toolbar. So here I am selecting the linear. Okay, I want to show the 54 mm dimension width of the job. 54 mm, I am selecting this line. Okay, 54 mm. Left side I am clicking 1 point. Similarly, right side I am clicking 1 point, dragging downward direction. I am getting the dimensions 54 mm. Okay, similarly, I am continuing the position of the circle from the base 18 millimeter. Okay, so this 18 millimeter I am drawing. Next, I am showing the 28 millimeter. Okay, right side 28 millimeter dimension I am showing. Next, I am continuing with the 14 millimeters this vertical line. I am keeping the dimension away from the job, away from your job. Okay, so 14 millimeter, and this vertical distance, horizontal distance is 10 millimeter that I am showing here. And I am deleting this, and one more time I am doing, sorry, delete, linear, and keeping very closer here only. Okay, here only. And next I am going to dimension the size of the arc. Okay, so go to the annotation toolbar, radius option, select radius option. So this is a part of a circle, so I am using radius 14 millimeter. Click that radius, touch the radius, and you drag it, you will get it. So next I am going to dimension the diameter for the inner circle. Okay, so this is full circle, so I am selecting the diameter option here and clicking the circle and then dragging outside. I am getting dia 16. So actually three circles are there. What I will do, I double click this text, and before the sorry, double click Then I am, with the help of cursor, I am typing. Okay, so in front of pi symbol I am placing the cursor. Now I am typing three numbers, then click outside. Okay, now you got three numbers. What is the meaning of three numbers? Three circles are there with the diameter 16. Okay, so now we did the dimension, and one more dimension is left out, that is 28 millimeter linear dimension between the circle. That is linear distance, center to center distance of the circle is 28. Okay, and here since the arrow mark and text size is very small, I am adjusting the text size and arrow mark size. And similarly, the orientation of the text I also am changing. Here it is 90 degree. So let us edit the dimensions, text size using the dim style command. So I am typing dim style, enter, go to the modify option, then arrow size, symbols and arrows tab, arrow size I am changing it to 4. Similarly, text I am changing the text height 4 millimeter. Primary units, single digit accuracy is enough here. And text option, horizontal alignment I am selecting. Okay, set current, close. Okay, now you can see the dimensions are changed. Okay, so size of the text as well as arrow mark changed. So this is the 2D drawing the 2D diagram. Okay, 2D construction in the AutoCAD.